Not only at home, they light, they light the lives of other members, not only the family, but also outside the family and overall in the society. So women members have dual role to play, not only at home but also outside. As you all know that women's contribution is not taken into account. We contribute almost, we save. When it is put in the data statistics, we contribute about 30% as housewives. Many of the gents also may not realize that, but many of them who are here, I think they know that. So without our knowledge, we contribute about 30%. We save about 30% of the income in the family because we almost take part in all the activities at home. So it's a very nice opportunity for me to be here to attend this function. And I congratulate the former president, former secretary, former treasurer for having done wonderful jobs. For the last year, from the annual report, I could know they've taken up several very precious service-oriented jobs, especially during the cyclone, and they've touched almost all parts, including schools, old age house, and the rural women. They've given some training for the rural women. So when I just came to know about the activities, it's wonderful. I really congratulate all the members, former president, secretary for having taken up a wonderful job. And today I even happened to see some of the new members joining, and one among them is an agriculture graduate, Mrs. Vijay Kumari. So it's nice. And overall, we should thank our counterparts. Because without their willingness or without their permission, women cannot take up these jobs. So we should really thank our spouse for giving us an opportunity to serve the mankind of society. So now as such, there are several ways to take service to the human mankind. And when compared to those days, முதல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா women may not know அவேர்னஸே இருக்காது, எதை பற்றியுமே அவேர்னஸ் இருக்காது. இப்போ சுய உதவி குழுன்னு வந்த பிறகு கிராமத்தில் இருக்கிற எல்லா விமனுக்கும் இப்போ ரொம்ப அவேர்னஸ் வந்திருக்கு. இப்போ படிப்பு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூஜி கிராஜுவேட்ஸில் தமிழ்நாட்டில் 45% வந்து விமன் கிராஜுவேட்ஸாக இருக்காங்க. பிஜி கிராஜுவேட்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 50% வந்து விமன் தான் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ தமிழ்நாடு இது லேட்டஸ்ட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ். இன்னைக்கு வந்து சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம நிதி அமைச்சர் நிர்மலா சீதாராமன் தான் இருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இது ஒரு எடுத்துக்காட்டு. இதை மாதிரி பல பொசிஷன்ல டாப்பிங் விமன் ஆர் டாப்பிங் giving many several top positions in Tamil Nadu as well as in India as well as abroad. So days have changed now, but yet we have a lot of things to do. When we go and see in the rural areas, still things have to improve. So whatever ways we could say, நம்ம போய் தான் செய்யணும் கிடையாது, இன்னவின் மூலமாகவும் செய்யலாம். As members, we can do many things to innovate. As well as நிறைய பேர் வந்து வேலையிலே இருக்கீங்க, நீங்கள் some of you will be working also. You can also contribute the 1% of your monthly salary or 1% of your annual salary for the welfare of the rural children. I heard from someone here. She has given, I think, she has donated some huge amount for his to buy purchase his spectacles. So such small petty things can be done. If there's an orphanage, we can just meet the expenses for the studies. If someone is not able to buy a bicycle, school girl, they can just offer an amount to buy the bicycle. So as such, when we go and see the reality, they are very poor people, especially girls. First we have to develop these girls and women in the rural society. Actually, there are many government schemes, both state government schemes and central government schemes. And some of them may not be having the knowledge as to open loans, avail loans. So such things we can give orientation to the rural women. there are many enterprises. There are many training programs for the rural women to take up small cottage-based enterprises or agro-based enterprises. So such awareness can be created to the women, rural women, and then we can. And now the most important issue in India as Tamil Nadu is sexual harassment. So many girls, small kids, right from 5 months or 6 months, they are having this sexual harassment problem. So we can orient the small girls in the schools or rural areas about how to tackle when they face the sexual harassment issues. There are many government rules and laws, and there are many toll-free numbers. So we can just give them awareness about how to react in the initial stages. Because many of the rural girls and women are not aware about it. In the train, something happens, we can see the toll-free numbers. So through money also we can make service. Without money also we can make service. So we should think the combination of both ways, because both are very crucial. So there are many schemes available for women in the rural areas. There are many issues to be tackled for women. For example, if you see the wages for rural women is very low compared to men. So such crucial issues can be considered. So I am very happy. So many of you, along with the spouse, because most of the women may not come to this such function. But here it's very nice to see that many of the men counterparts are also here. So it shows the support and guidance, the support given by the men spouse here to the women. So it's a nice occasion to see the counterparts. Usually I say, when you want to educate the rural women, men also should be there. When you are asking some women to go in for savings, men also should take part. Only then there will be cooperation and there will be success. For the new president, secretary, and other persons who have assigned the new roles here, I really congratulate each and every one of you, president, secretary, vice president, EDIs, new members, each and every one. I congratulate each and one of you, and I wish that you do it in a very excellent way. As the theme of 2019 says, together we can succeed. Together we can achieve anything through inner ways. So I do not want to take much time. So with this, I thank Mr. Pugaran sir and Mr. Sudha Pugaran, all the other members who have given me an opportunity to be here along with you and then to be here to inaugurate the function. And one thing I want to tell you, if you want any help from Annamanil side, Faculty of Agriculture, there are also many trainings are offered for the rural women, and if you are interested, we can offer actually the same training to you also. For example, last year we were given training for terrace gardening, and some other time we have given training for nursery. So such trainings are offered. So I will give the follow-up of trainings to the president, and anybody who is interested can take part. So with this, I wish you all the best for the ensuing year. I thank every one of you for having given me this opportunity. I am also the president of Annamanil Women's Association, and right from my college days, I also took my research topic on women only. I am also interested to serve the women community. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. சிறப்பு விருந்தினர் அவர்களை கௌரவிக்க புதிய தலைவர்